Tired of cluttered sinks and messy countertops? Imagine a storage system that adapts to your personal cleaning routine, keeping your sponges, scrubbers, and soaps perfectly organized without taking up extra space. This modular ceramic sink organizer is designed just for that, offering a sleek, compact solution that fits right into your kitchen setup. What makes this system stand out is its customizable design. Whether you use a heavy-duty scrubber or a soft sponge, the dedicated drying nook and adjustable tray keep everything exactly where it should be. The ceramic material isn't just stylish, it's easy to clean and built to last. Plus, its low-profile shape means it won't crowd your sink or countertop, giving you more room to work and less hassle to manage. One user shared how the gray version blends seamlessly with their kitchen decor while holding two mason jars, one for dish soap, the other for foaming hand sanitizer, right on the tray. The sponge holder fits both their sponge and scrubber comfortably. While they noted the need for a non-slip base to prevent sliding, their granite countertop stayed scratch-free, proving the ceramic's gentle touch on surfaces. This level of thoughtful design means you get a durable, attractive system that meets real kitchen needs. If you're looking for a practical upgrade that organizes your sink area without sacrificing style or space, this modular ceramic storage system is worth a look. It's more than just a holder. It's a smarter way to keep your cleaning essentials tidy and accessible. Try it when you're ready to bring order and ease back to your kitchen sink.